Samuel Jordan here. Welcome to your 15-minute lower back strengthening workout. If you get any lower back pain at all, or if you've been trying ab workouts with stuff with your lifting your legs and you find that you're getting pain down here, stop doing those workouts now and strengthen your lower back first. There's gonna be some really simple moves here, and it's gonna be a nice workout that's just gonna strengthen that back, and keep coming back to it, keep doing it. As you strengthen it, you should be able to move through some of those more difficult ab workouts. So, first thing we're gonna do, and if you've done any yoga, you'll recognize this, just cat-cows. We come down to a kneeling position, tabletop. And what we're gonna do is we're just in a neutral position here. First, we're going to breathe in as we bend the back and look up. And then as we breathe out, we charge and roll that back up. Tuck your head in, breathe in, and you look up. Breathe out, and we bend that back, head goes in. Breathe in. Make sure you're tensing your core here. Breathe in. Breathe out. Let's do a couple more. Last one. Okay, great. First move is going to be bird dog. So we're going to be in this tabletop position. You're going to raise your right arm, left leg out straight. Hold it there, pause, bring them back to neutral. Same on the other side, left arm, right leg. I'm going to start the timer now. It's going to be 40 seconds of work, 20 seconds of rest. Let's go. So, right arm, left leg. Hold it there, bring it back to neutral. Now, left arm, right leg. And back to neutral again. And just keep alternating between these two sides. Do these really slow with control. Make sure you've got your balance. We've got about 10 seconds left, so let's get one more out on each side. Okay, go 20-second rest. We're coming onto our backs next for some bridges. So feet are flat on the ground, back is down, palms are on the floor. What we're gonna do is just drive bum up off the floor, tense the glutes at the top, and lower back down. Okay, let's go. We've got 40 seconds of these. Make sure you tense those glutes at the top, drive up off the floor. Tense those glutes. You can use your hands to support you. About 10 seconds left of these. And take a rest. Okay, next. We've got dead bugs. You bring your feet up off the floor, still on our back. Hands go up straight in front of you. Drop the right arm and the left leg. Pause, bring them back up. And now drop the left arm and the right leg. Pause and bring them back. Okay, let's go. If you're finding these a bit too challenging, then bring the arms down to the floor. Just worry about supporting your legs as you drop those legs, alternating them down. Be sure your lower back is staying flat on the ground here. We don't want any arch in the back. Oh, I've done a few more seconds. Okay, take a rest. We've got 20 seconds of rest. We're going to be staying on our backs. Bit similar to our bridges, but we're going to be doing single leg bridges now. So right leg comes off the ground, straight out in front of you. Same as before, we drive the hips up to the ceiling, but keep that right leg off the ground. Okay, so let's go. So squeeze the glutes at the top again. And we're just keeping the right leg off the ground as we drive our hips towards the sky. Squeeze the glutes at the top. For about 10 seconds left. Okay, take a 20-second rest. Stay down on the ground. So we're going to be doing the same on the other side next. So this time, left leg comes off the ground, palms on the ground, drive the hips up to the sky, tense the glutes at the top. Okay, let's go. Drive those hips up, squeeze the glutes. About 15 seconds of these left. These slow, with control. 5 seconds. Take a rest, you've got a 20-second rest. Next, we're coming onto our front. We're going to be lying down flat, arms out in front of you. And what you're going to do is you're going to raise your right arm and left leg, stretch them out, pause at the top, bring them back down. Same on the other side. Left arm, right leg. Pause at the top, lower them down. So we're alternating opposite lifting of our limbs. Try and just keep a nice pause at the top. Keep breathing. I know it's an obvious thing to say, but I find sometimes when I'm concentrating on the move, I'm suddenly holding my breath. A few more seconds. Take a rest there. We've got a 20-second rest. I want you to come back onto your backs now for a bicycle crunch. So, hands behind the head, feet are flat on the ground. We're going to crunch up and over to the side, touch opposite knee to opposite elbow, back down, and then on the other side. So we're alternating, do these really slow with control. And I want you to just make sure you're twisting the torso up and over towards the knee, and do these slow. You don't want to hear the, just coming up, trying to get out reps. We're going really slow, meaningful movements, making sure that we're strengthening our core, our abs, and thus our lower back. 5 more seconds. Okay, take a rest. We're going to be repeating those 7 exercises. So we come back to those bird dogs, which is tabletop position. Raise your right arm, left leg, pause, back down, and then the same with the other side. So we've got 40 seconds of these. Raising opposite arm and opposite leg. Slow with control. About 5 seconds left. Got a 20-second rest. We're going onto our backs again. Bridges, so feet flat on the ground, lying down on the ground here, palms down. Get comfortable and then drive those hips up, squeeze the glutes at the top, slowly lower back down. So drive up, you want to get speed on the way up and then you want to slow on the way down. So drive those hips up, squeeze the glutes, slow on the way down. We're about 20 seconds left. Ten seconds. I'm gonna exhale as you drive those hips up. Breathe in at the bottom. Great, take a rest. Next we've got those dead bugs, which is staying on our back still. Raise the legs off the ground, arms straight up in front of you. Lower right arm, left leg. Hold, and then raise, and then the same on the other side. Okay, let's go. We've got 40 seconds of these. Slow, controlled movements here. Okay, about 10 seconds left. Take a rest, you've got a 20-second rest here. Stay on your backs. We're going back to the single leg bridges, so we'll start off with, I can't remember which one I did first. We'll start off with the left leg off the ground. We're gonna drive the hips up with just a single leg. Okay, let's go. Drive those hips up, squeeze the glutes at the top, slow on the way down. So keeping that left leg off the ground. Drive the hips up, squeeze the glutes at the top, and then we slowly lower down. Drive up, squeeze the glutes, slowly lower down. Breathe out, and then breathe in on the way down. Okay, take a 20-second rest. You can hang out down here on the ground because we're doing the same on the other side next. So in about 10 seconds, we're going to be keeping the right leg off the ground. We're going to drive the hips up, squeezing the glutes at the top. Okay, take a rest. You've got a 20-second rest now. Where are we? Swimmers. We're going lying down on our front. Hi, Prince. Excuse me, buddy. Lying on our front, arms out in front of us. Raise the right arm and the left leg. Hi there, buddy. Hi. And now opposite. So raising your left arm and your right leg. So we're just alternating, raising the opposite limb. Hi buddy, can you just give me a little bit of space? I know, thank you very much, thank you. So, we're about 15 seconds. Take a rest, 20-second rest. We'll move on to our backs now. for bicycle crunches. Feet flat off the ground. We're gonna raise, touch opposite knee to opposite elbow. Okay, great work. We've got one more move of this and then we're done. We're coming onto our front. This is gonna be like the swimmers, but we raise both arms, both legs, all at once. Stay up there for a few seconds and then slowly lower back to the ground. So 40 seconds of this and then we're done. So we raise arms and legs up, slowly lower back down to the ground. It's a challenging move, this one. If this is really tough for you, then just lift the legs, don't worry about the arms for now. And if that's too challenging, then we're just gonna raise the arms, just like this. Okay, now let's get up to the top, hold at the top. We're gonna hold that isometric. Stay up there for as long as you can with me. And then slowly lower down. And you're done. Now, I just want to do a nice stretch now after all of that. I want you to come back. I want you to sit on your feet, sit on your heels here, hands down to the ground, forehead on the mat. Now what I want you to do is breathe in. As you breathe out, you want to charge your body up with your body arched forward, come down, and then as you come to the front of the mat, I want you to then come up to this up dog position. So your head and your shoulders go back. And then now, breathe in. When you breathe out, I want you to roll your head forward, roll your shoulders in, drive your body back to that kneeling position again. It's the kneeling spine wave. Breathe in, breathe out, charge the body forward, keep your head tucked in. As you get to the front, then you can roll your head up and back, slow with control. Breathe in, as you breathe out, charge back again. Breathe in, as you breathe out, charge forward. Keep that neck tucked in and then slowly roll out to that up dog position we see in yoga. Breathe in, as you breathe out, charge back. And now I want you to just stay here, forehead on the mat. And just breathe here. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this workout. Please keep coming back to it. You want to strengthen your spine. Don't go for any challenging ab exercises where you're doing flutter kicks and scissors until you get a really strong lower back. Making sure that you've got a strong enough core to be able to do those more complex ab exercises, else you'll get lower back pain. If you just get lower back pain, these are all really great exercises. If any of them are giving you discomfort, then that's all good. Just don't push yourself through it. Just lie down, take a moment, breathe, try the next exercise, and just take your time with these ones and do them slowly, because you know, it's a really common thing, lower back pain. We don't want to be getting any of that. So Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, give me a comment and let me know how you get on.